right, here we are in lesson 8. This is on page 267 in your book. We're going to do some problem solving. The strategy this time is going to be to write a number sentence. So I'm just going to go over this page with you. There are 24 bees on a flower. 15 bees fly away. How many bees are there now? Remember, we're underlining what we know, circling what we need to find out. We know that there are 24 bees on a flower. 15 fly away, and now we want to know how many are on the flower. How are we going to solve this? Well, we're going to write a number sentence. We're going to start with our big number, 24, minus, how many flew away? They went away, so they're gone. Minus 15. If I count, I can count backwards, or I could put a problem over here and work it out this way. I have to regroup, so that turns into 1. This becomes 10 plus 4, so that's 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. 9 bees, and guess what? Is my answer reasonable? Let's find out. 9 plus 15. 9 plus 5 is 14. Put my 1 at the top, 24. There you go. Yep. I expect to see this when you subtract. You need to show me where you've checked your answer. Since we know how to do that, I want to see that every time. Let's go to the next page. So here we have practice. 84 children are at summer camp. 29 leave to come home early. I'm going to bet they got homesick. How many children are still at summer camp? Well, just like always, it's a word problem. We're going to underline what we know. 84 are at summer camp. 29 leave. So how many are still at summer camp? How am I going to solve this number sentence? 84. Am I adding or subtracting? Well, I'm subtracting because it says they leave. So they went away. How many went away? 29. So 84 minus 29. Now I could count backwards, but that's going to be a lot. So it'll be easier for me to write out a problem like this. I have to regroup. That turns into a 7. 10 plus 4 is 14. So 14 minus 9 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. So there are 55 still at camp. Is my answer reasonable? How am I going to find out? I'm going to add to check. So 55 plus 29. 5 plus 9 is 14. I put my 4 down. I regroup by carrying my 1 up here. I know that 1 plus 5 is 6. And 6 plus 2 is 8. 84. Is that the number I started with? Yes. So is my answer reasonable? Absolutely. Again, you can always pause the video to work out the problem before you move on. Okay? On this side, here again, you're going to apply that strategy. You're going to write a number sentence to solve. And yes, you need to add to make sure your number is correct. Same thing here. You're going to write a number sentence, and then you're going to add if you need to check your answer. Down here, I do want you to try this one. I think you should be able to do it, but you don't need to explain in words. What I want you to do is I want you to write yes or no if she's correct, and then work it out so I know you understand. Same thing here. You're going to do different strategies. You might need to find a pattern. When it's a pattern, it could be skip counting. Okay? You're going to write a number sentence. Or where it says act out, you might actually have to draw a picture. So you have to figure out which one of these strategies is going to work best for you to solve these. They may not all be a number sentence where you're adding or subtracting. It could be a pattern, or you could need to draw a picture. So be careful with that. And the homework page, there's nothing on here. It's just an example, so there's nothing for you to do there. And on the back side, go ahead and work on that. Again, you're just doing number sentences. They have them out here, and you are going to need to check your answer if you subtract. Again, if you have questions, make sure mom or dad gives me a call, emails me, or gives me a text.